Hey, myself. Yo, I'm very sorry that I didn't upload yesterday because I got distracted, or maybe I'm not that feared because my father, uh, trying to discipline me, and to the point that I forgot to do it. Sad enough. Anyways, today was a kind of memorable because I'm kind of missing someone, but okay, it will turn out to be great somehow. Anyways, I didn't have any progress on my battery exam because just say I'm very busy, or I don't have the time for it. So and my glasses broke, so I need to go to ophthalmology. I don't know what that is, but oh well. Maybe everything will be turn out great, and why not? And yes, it made my day. I did 5 sets. I know 5 things to work out on, and yeah, it turns out to be great. Too bad that I didn't do it in the morning because I it was 2. I wake up at 7, so like it was a kind of bad mistake. And I needed sleep though. And I'm coughing, so like I hate this. But anyways, yeah, no, kind of normal I think, but it also made my day. I was planning to make a gift of that crush of yours, your future wife, I think. Well, I hope that she is still be the one after 10 years there, right there by your side. And yeah, I'm kind of insecure with my skin, but I don't care. But I'm still working on it. So like, yeah, I love it. And I still need to work on my English though. Right after the studying session, it's kind of just 3 books and just too hard. And don't do it because it's boring. Anyways. I don't know what to talk about. Just my father is so cringe at English. I gotta do something about it because he's up to his ego. Yeah, it's kind of bad having a cough. And I eat something sweet, so like that's a big no, or red flag of myself. I'm so tempted. At least I have reflected on that day, and maybe everything will turn out great. And why not? It also made my day though. Okay, I think that's all I need to talk about. Yeah, that's what I'm grateful for. Okay, that's it, I guess. Well, see ya.